Meet the new and improved Go Me fabric cutter, now with smoother rolling action. This lightweight, compact fabric cutter makes a great starter set for those new to quilting or the AccuQuilt system. The Go Me provides a safe, fun way to cut a variety of fabrics and other materials for quilting and crafting. And now it's even easier to use. This perfect starter set comes with the Go Me fabric cutter, 2 Go dies, a cutting mat, and 5 fabulous patterns. Just add fabric and you'll have everything you need to create your first project. Look at what we made using just these 2 dies. Plus, it's compatible with more than 200 dies in our Go collection. The Go Me's compact design is made for quilters with a life on the go and for those with a smaller sewing space. It also makes a great gift. There has never been a better way to get started with the Go system than with the Go Me with smoother rolling action. Because at AccuQuilt, we want to help you cut time so you can quilt and craft more.